traditions this day and age, to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. As days go by, it's the bigger love of the family.
Good morning. This week on Jaguar News, you are going to see our Valentine's Day edition. Sit back, enjoy, and let us know what you think in the comments or by posting on our social media channels. Thank you.
Valentine's Day was coming up, and so I decided to make some red velvet cookies because my boyfriend really loves red velvet. So I got all the ingredients and stuff. I looked up the recipe, got in the ingredients, and so I started mixing the dry ingredients together, which was the flour, the baking soda, the cocoa powder. And so I mixed all that up, and then I got a separate bowl and I started mixing all of the wet ingredients, which was the butter and the sugar first. Well, that was mixed first, and so I put it in the blender, and I turned it on and all that. Yeah, that was very satisfying. Then I got stuck to the whisk, and so I had to push it down. Then I added in the egg, and honestly cracking eggs is amazing. And then I added the vanilla, the lemon juice, and then something else I don't actually remember. And yeah, mixing it kind of looked like I don't even know, it just looked weird. Then I mixed in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, and I let that mix for a little bit. Yeah, that was fun. And then I took it out, and it was really clumpy. So then I put in the white chocolate chips, because the recipe called for white chocolate chips. And then I covered it because you have to let it chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And if you guys really want the full recipe, I will send it to you. Just hit me up on Teams, Sydney Price. So then after an hour playing Legend of Zelda, I took it out, set the oven to 350, and then this is me rolling out the balls for the cookies. That was time consuming. It really was. So this is how they came out, and so I put them in the oven, and I set the timer for 9 minutes, even though the recipe said 10 to 12 minutes. Oof. This is how they came out. And the recipe also said that I had to put white chocolate chips on top, and so I did. And honestly, that was the best part of the cookie. Oh my goodness, especially when they just came out. And this is how they looked, and they were so good.
Hey God, me again. And you again? First of all, I gave y'all a whole pandemic to worry about, and you're worried about getting a date for one day of the year? No, see, that's not happening. You're not getting a date because I made sure that you were made just in my creation, perpetually alone forever. But can I alone? No. You're staying home. You're staying home, buddy. Because nobody in your country wants to wear a mask. So I'm trying to help y'all out, trying to throw y'all bones. I gave y'all the masks. I gave y'all the treatments to work with, and y'all still want to go out and party during this panoramic. Come on. Go back. Go home. Get some rest. Hi. So, if you're like me, you're perpetually alone forever, and Valentine's Day is your least favorite day because all you see online, on social media, everywhere you look, are happy people and they're happy little couples, and it's just sickening because you're never gonna have the same happiness that they'll share in that moment. So, on Valentine's Day, here's what I like to do. First, we're gonna get a snack. There's something that you like to eat to drink the pain away. Next, we're going to open your school computer or laptop, any device, and open it to the game Roblox. Then, while the whole place burns to a crisp, just dance around and remember that you may not have control over whether you have a relationship, but you do have control of making sure that everything burns to the ground.
Let's get into it. So, one place that you can go on Valentine's Day is Red Lobster. You can go eat and have some fun, stuff like that. Another place is South Mountain. It's South Mountain, like you can just go hiking, like one person or like other people. Y'all can just get some good exercise in and just have a good time. And another place, this is my personal opinion, and this is Sky Zone. Sky Zone is a great place. Like, it's active. Y'all get to have fun. Y'all can talk, chill, stuff like that. And yeah, man, those are just some places that you can go on Valentine's Day. Thank you for your time, and yeah, man, peace.
And now it is time for the interview. Let's get into it.
Okay, hello, ma'am. Would you please state your name?
Tonight, bro.
And today I will be asking you one simple question. Where would you go on Valentine's Day, or where would you like to go?
I would go to Sedona, Arizona.
And why is that?
I would go to Sedona because of the red mountains, the beautiful scenery. Also, it's quiet, peaceful, and the ambience. Also, they have a winery there, so I would enjoy the winery. And you can do the Pink Jeep tour.
Okay, man. Thank you for your time. And this is Janiyah signing out. And yeah, man, peace.
It's a